Welcome to the Vineyard Cottage. Come on in. So this is the kitchen. When you arrive, we'll have a chilled bottle of wine for you. If you have a favorite, you can let us know. I chose a semi-sweet Riesling here. We'll have the fridge fully stocked, so while you're here, you're welcome to indulge in any way you'd like. We did leave a couple drawers open for food, you know, if you want to bring some food. We're also offering private shopping too, so if you let us know what you want stocked, we'll do that for you. This is kind of the lounge area. We do have a TV, but why would you want a TV when you get this view here? A place for people to gather, have a glass of wine. If it's chilly out, we do have the fireplace, which is really nice, and kind of just a central gathering area for everyone. Everything is live edge wood, and so we really wanted to bring nature into the cottage and really make it a place that's unique and fun to stay for people. We have our little coffee nook, and we will be featuring all of our own roasted beans, Ironheart Coffee Company. So we'll stock up the place with all of the caffeine that you need to get through the day. This is one of our bedrooms. All the linens are actually super soft. They're from a company that we partnered with for all the bedding called Comfy, and it's really nice. It's really comfy. There's a half bath that is in the main area here for people. And then this is another bedroom, the second bedroom. Again, comfy linens, white sheets. This is the master bathroom. And the best bamboo spa towels. This painting is the original building, Nagy's. This is the winery. When Dave and Luann bought the property, this is what they bought, just this 10 by 10 building. And so it's kind of neat. I brought it over here to decorate so that people could really get a sense of the scale of growth, I guess, but also appreciate what this building that they're staying in used to look like. So some of the artwork in the cottage has been selected by our founder, Dave. This picture here is from, this is actually Nagy's Newland Vineyard and Winery. This is the building we bought that is this here, but this was the smallest tasting room, was 10 by 10. Obviously, we've added on. Here's a cover shot. This is our founder, Dave, during harvest of 2010. It's just a really nice shot of him. He loves to come in and help during harvest time, so that's that. So this is the loft area here. Over here, we created a reading nook. This is a place to take a little nap if you've been day drinking. This area we have set up for comfort, just kind of another area to just relax if you've been out wine tasting all day. We'll have some games up here, so if you want to hang out and play a game of chess. There is a balcony that's really nice for a glass of wine and to watch the sunset over Seneca Lake. So this is the Vineyard Cottage. Thanks for visiting, and we hope that you plan your stay here soon. We'll see you.